Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Franca and welcome back to Styles by Franca. So on today's episode guys, I'll be teaching you how to make this braided headband. It is so lovely and nice and very easy to get. So guys, let's go straight into this video. So guys, the material I'll be needing for this project is our clothes, our fiber, then our scissors. So here is me just folding my fabric into two. So I'm going to be using the height of 4 inches and the length of this fabric will be 40 inches long. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. It will be 4 inches by height and 40 inches long. So I'm be cutting that in 3 places. So here's the 3 pieces. So I'm going to be joining them, folding them right side facing each other and sew it straight down. So after sewing it, I'm going to be turning it inside out, the 3 pieces. So after turning them, I ironed it, then I bring out my fiber, then I started filling each panels, as in each rope, with the fiber. So after filling up my fabric with the fiber, I place the 3 together and stitch it down. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can use your hand needle to do this. Then I started weaving like I'm braiding to the desired length I want. So my client's headband was 32 inches. Then I weave to the total length I want. Then I stitch down to hold it down at the both edge. After stitching it down, I used my needle and thread to tack the both ends together, as you can see in this video. So after tacking it, I cut a small piece of fabric just to cover the rough edge. So after doing that will be the end of the video. Please, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Please support this small channel, make it grow. And if you have any tutorial you want me to do, you can just let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye.